When I first started as a GYN oncologist 30 years ago, ovarian cancer was called the silent killer. I was really taught that ovarian cancer didn't have symptoms, but in my work with advocacy and in speaking with patients, they all said to me, Dr. Goff, I did feel something. Why doesn't anyone believe us? I have been a GYN oncologist for over 30 years. I care for women with gynecologic malignancies. I do research in ovarian cancer early detection and novel therapeutics for women with all sorts of gynecologic cancers. We've come very far in prevention because we've really come to understand the genetics of ovarian cancer. There are things that we can do to actually prevent ovarian cancer. We've also come to understand that, yes, ovarian cancer does have symptoms. I think what inspires me is that I have a clinic full of women who weren't supposed to survive their cancers, but they did. That's what keeps me going because, there are a lot of tough days where you lose patients. I've been in this community for a long time and really have worked my heart out to make a difference for women with ovarian cancer and women with gynecologic malignancy. It has really been my passion. I have been so dedicated to early detection of ovarian cancer to try to prevent the suffering that I have seen over this 30 years. I'm really, truly honored to receive this award because as I think of Dr. Rivkin, I see him as a really compassionate physician. He was a clinical innovator. He was an exceptional researcher, and he has done so much in our community here in Seattle, in Washington, and throughout the country in terms of his commitment to research. The Rivkin Center is so important. They've raised millions of dollars to support early research careers, to really launch investigators who can get NIH-funded research. They have funded so much important work which has improved the lives of women with ovarian cancer. When you see somebody who has been battling cancer for 20 years and you eke out a cure, it just feels so good to give them the newest therapies and provide this compassionate care. It's very satisfying to get to be part of someone's life as you go through this journey with them.